Recent US tariff revisions on India is the talk of the town these days. Let me break it out for you on what really happened. Trump has claimed that India agreed to stop buying Russian oil. The reality is, India's Russian oil imports were already falling from 1.8 million barrels per day to about 8 lakh currently. Let's understand why that happened. And the reason is simple. Because the discount collapsed from $23 per barrel to just $5 to $6 per barrel after the sanctions tightened. At that price, Russian oil stopped being worth the risk. So India didn't sacrifice anything. It simply accepted what economics had already decided. The irony is that US is now pushing Venezuelan oil to India as a replacement after years of sanctioning buyers of Venezuelan crude. That shows Washington needed the deal more than India did. India earlier faced 25% reciprocal tariff plus 25% penalty tariff for Russian oil exposure. So the total was 50% tariffs. And now both are merged into 18%. That's a 64% cut in tariff pressure and not just another cosmetic tweak. Trump also claimed that India agreed to remove tariffs on US products. The fact remains that no official text has been released. There is no Federal Register notice, there is no timeline, and no congressional approval. So right now, this is political messaging, not a binding deal. It is imperative to note that just 6 days earlier, India signed the EU-India FTA, which would cover consumer market of over 2 billion people with a combined GDP of $27 trillion and would effectively cut tariffs on 96.6% of EU goods. Importantly, the deal gives India textiles, leather, pharma, gems, full EU access. These are exactly the sectors hit by US tariffs. So India wasn't negotiating from weakness. It already had a massive fallback option. Just a week ago, India had no major Western FTAs. And now India has a preferential access to EU and US. Meanwhile, China faces 145% US tariffs and does not have a EU deal. Despite being treated like a junior partner, India keeps walking away with the best positioning. In hindsight, India used market forces, timing, and parallel EU leverage to slash tariffs, give up almost nothing, and end up better placed than both the US and China. And yes, not to forget that the US midterms are coming. Follow me for sharp market breakdowns without the noise. Thank you.